Christmas present.
Look at the crap.
Oh, wow. Oh, woo. Yay, Christmas. Oh,
Mommy's doing this.
what do you have in here?
Piggy bank.
What do you have in here?
Little piggy.
Wow.
Piggy.
Look it.
Okay. Look.
And Grandma and Poppy. Wow. Look at here.
Got your
It even
name.
has your name on it. Look at that. Look at the piggy bank. Oh.
Okay, what's next, dear?
That's
back
because
for
you're
your
a little
snorter.
snorter. It's got your name on it.
Wow, look at that. The old little piggy bank.
Take a still picture of him too.
Yeah.
It's got a glove and a baseball and a bat and a basketball
He said,
And a
let me go
football?
to sleep and tell me when I
and a
wake up. will
soccer
you?"
ball. Yay, it's for sports. If you want to play sports when you get older. You don't have to if you don't want to, but you can. You can be a ballerina if you want. Just kidding. You can't be a ballerina. What do you think? Merry Christmas.